Today I'll be reviewing for you guys the button press machine that I received from Vevor. So this is how the package arrived, and just opening up the box you can see that you have a couple things for the buttons itself. You can see here, and then you have a instruction manual, I'm assuming, right here. So they send you over 500 pieces. You have the user manual here that shows you how to have your button pressed and created, and then they send you a blank paper. I'm not really sure what that's for. I'm just gonna go ahead and put these aside. And then over here, and what you can see here is the side rail mold, and this is what you use to make the buttons itself. So you have your left mold and then your right mold. And what you can see here is the upper mold that goes into the button press machine, and this is what holds up your tin and then your film and your design. And then here inside the box, this is your handle to press. You have a base over here, base plate. And we have this mini box. Let's see what's in this. So have a little blade, two little blades right there, and then there's also another blade right over here, which not sure why this is sticking out, not very safe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside. And here they send you a big Allen key, and then two of these Allen screws, and then another packet with some washers and another Allen key. Couple more pins right over here to hold everything in place. There's the actual press machine right over here. So let's go ahead and get this all set up and then start pressing some buttons and show you guys how everything works. So we do have quite a few things here. So here's the base plate. So first thing we're gonna do is install the handle, and you just screw this in. And the upper molding goes right in here. All you do is just take that and slide that right in there, and it will just hook on and stay there. And it just stays right over there unless you pull it out. And then this one will slide here through the bottom. Okay, so depending on what you're pressing, you just press like this and then slide over. Okay, and then we want to make sure that we are putting in the pins that they send you. These pins right over here, they will go on each side, just like that. So that way when you're sliding it, it doesn't completely fall off. So it will keep it in place. And then insert the two screws through here and make sure you tighten it up. So in order for you to make a button, all you need is just a couple things right here. So I have, a couple balloons here, and then these are, stickers. So I'm going to take this one. You need this little compass right here, and then your circle that you're going to cut needs to be the size of this. So this comes through here, and then you place this on the base and then just rotate this thing. And then this rotator thing has a little blade right over here, as you can see. And this blade is the one that's going to cut the sticker for us. So I'm going to place my compass right over here. Let's move this back a little bit to give myself some room. And then all I'm gonna do is just start pressing and rotating. Make sure that you guys are staying precise and not letting the compass move too much, so that way you get a perfect circle. Okay, so once you do that, you can see now that I have cut up my balloon in a little circle, and then we are gonna use this pattern to press onto our button. So this is one of the buttons that I have already pressed, and then I'm going to show you guys how to press this one. So all you need is this plate right over here, tin plate, and then you have your button right over here. And make sure that the safety pin that you have has to be on the bottom. So I'll show you guys how to place that. And then we have our protective film that's going to go right over the actual sticker that we have. So now, setting it up, this is how you want to do it. You have these, two sections right over here. One is left and one is right. And then, so on the left side, you want to put your button just like this. So this part right here needs to be facing down. So once you place it, it should be nice and flush, just like that, as you can see. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and put my sticker down right over there. And you can see that it basically covers the entire diameter. And right above that, you want to put your protective film. Okay, and once you do that, slide that over. And then this button that we have, you want to make sure that this part is facing towards you and the safety pin is facing down. So once you drop it and put it down here, it will be flat. It doesn't really move around. Now it's time to press. So now that we have our button sticker with the protective film and the button over here placed inside the button press machine, we are ready to press. So let's go ahead and check what our button looks like once we are done. So you just slide this all the way to your right, and then you grab it by the handle, and once you push down, you can see that it's coming down. And I'm gonna go ahead and press. I pressed it. I'm just gonna make sure that I press a couple times just to make sure that we are good. Okay, and then once you're done, go ahead and slide this all the way to your left, and then you want to press here again. And then you can see that since I'm done pressing on this, it had already picked up that tin plate and it's holding on to this little section right over here. And once you press it onto the button, the sticker and the protective film is going to wrap around that button there. So let's go ahead and go for it. It's the same thing. I'm just going to do it a couple times. Okay, now let's go ahead and take out our button and see what it looks like. And as you guys can see, our button is good to go. So why don't we go ahead and press one more. So let me know what you guys think of this Vevor button press machine that you can use to press over 500 buttons that they send you in the box or in the package, which is awesome. And I have already made, 3 of them. It's kind of addicting, to be honest with you. I have never used a button press machine before, but once I pressed the first one, I just kept going and pressing more, and I still want to do more in the different patterns. But installation is super easy. Once you get the handle, and then this thing just slides right in, just put in the pins, and then just use these screws to screw it into the base. And just pressing it doesn't require a lot of strength. It's super easy, not a lot of force that is required for you to make that button. So let me know what you guys think about the Vevor button press machine. I think it has done a really good job, and within just a couple of minutes I was able to make 3 buttons. So if you guys are in the market looking for a button press machine, I would definitely say the button press machine by Vevor is the one to go with. Thank you for watching my review. We'll see you guys next time.